Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all participants. Our voice is clear. Kindly clear than before we will start our meeting. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a SLiMS, Pakistan SLiMS community, and collaboration with Bangladesh SLiMS community are going to organize this big event, 2 days online workshop on library automation and digitization with SLiMS. So before late, I will requesting to you Mr. Fahim Akbar Saab. He is a senior librarian and he is a country coordinator of Pakistan SLiMS community. He will come and welcome to you all participants regarding this, and he will say something about Pakistan SLiMS community, and then inshallah Nurul Alam Saab, who is country coordinator of Bangladesh SLiMS community, who will join us, and further he will teach you, inshallah. Fahim Saab, please. Fahim Saab, are you listening us?
Yes, I am listening you.
Please, please carry on. Fahim Akbar Saab, again yes.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Please welcome to all participants.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome all to this 2 days training session on SLiMS, jointly organized by SLiMS Community Pakistan and SLiMS Community Bangladesh. This is 2 days training and 2 hours each day. Our resource person is Nur Alam. His nickname is Appu from Bangladesh, and he is a very knowledgeable person and associated with SLiMS community for the last, I think, 10 years. And he contributed in many modules and also translated SLiMS into Bangla language. So it's a great opportunity for all the participants to learn from his vast experience. His most work is on library computerization and digitization, and he conducted many trainings on SLiMS and other softwares. So it will be a great opportunity for all, and I welcome you all to this training. So after this, Nurul Alam Sahab will guide you how to use SLiMS and implement it in your libraries. May I record, or you are recording in this session?
Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum, dear community. I can see some of you are from India also. And Chennai, Tamil Nadu, one of my favorite place. I can also see someone from them. 2 people from them also I can see. Okay, so it's good that we are connected from different countries. So this is the first meeting with SLiMS Pakistan community. So I'm excited. In fact, hope everyone is safe and well during this pandemic. May Allah save all of us from this coronavirus, and we must take care of ourselves. So today I'm going to share my experience and share some knowledge on how to use and install SLiMS. Before that, my request, the participants please mute your microphone, or I can mute also. Okay, so all the participants are muted now, no problem. So I'm going to share a presentation. Just give me 1 minute.
ठीक है, वो जल्दी कर देना वो।
So I have downloaded this software from here. I can see you here. Go to Google and search for Xmpp. Xmpp, you can see this one. Go there and just download the latest one. See, here version is PHP 7.4.7. You need to download this version. Your PHP version must be 7.3 or later. So from here you can download. I am giving you the link at your chat box. So follow the chat box. So from here you can download Apache, Xmpp. This is apachefriends.org. You can check how to install. I have a small video. So from this video, I am going to send you the link at chat box. Follow the chat box. Sorry, I'm going to everyone. See, I have sent you 2 links. First one is YouTube and second one is Apache Friends. So if you visit the YouTube link, you will get the installation process of XAMPP. So if you forget my process, then you can visit there, no problem. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to install this software. Like I have downloaded this software. This one is my downloaded software. Just double click this installation portion. It's very simple. Just click option. But one trick I will show you. It will take some time. Wait. It's coming. So in this case, for Windows, there is USC control option maybe. So if there is any option, just click OK. This is the main window for installation setup. Here you will click the next, and just it will complete your installation process. This is very easy. Just I am not going to install completely because I have already installed, but I am going to show you how to install it. Just click next. Here you don't need to change anything. Just click next. But in this case, my recommendation, please do not install any XAMPP at C drive, because we know for Windows, most of the options are in C drive. Mr. Kashim, you are telling about that 64 version. Yes, you install 64 version, 64-bit. Now it is 64-bit is available only. No 32-bit is available. So version is 64-bit now. So my recommendation is don't install at C drive. Change it at any other drive like D, F, or whatever you have. I have in my D drive, I have XAMPP also, because I have to test many things. So all of my drives are full with XAMPP. So for different purpose, different training purpose or different orientation purpose, I have to install. So you may install at D or E or F or G, no problem. Just change the letter. Don't change anything. Then click next, and it will be installed automatically, no problem. So I'm not going to install. I have already installed at my G drive. So I'm going to cancel this one. I'm just telling you that how to install this process. Remember that you must keep your installation folder outside C drive. If you install C drive, no problem for testing purpose. But if you want to use for long time, that is your library server, you can use this one, no problem. But must use the outside of C drive, because think on things are like that your Windows may sometimes be crashed, your operating system may be crashed, there may be virus attack, so you may be needed to reinstall your operating system. In that case, as well as your operating system, your server data will be lost. So to avoid this data loss, we recommend everyone to use to install XAMPP outside of your system installation folder, that is normally C drive. So actually it is outside C drive. Okay. So here in my case, I have installed here at G drive, and this is my installation folder Xmpp. Here you can see this option Xmpp control. This is the main file. So you need to double click this one. Yes, this is Xmpp control panel. Here you see at the left side Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat. We don't need all of these. We only need Apache and MySQL. So we need to start Apache by clicking this start option. The one thing is very important, that if your machine have any other server software or database software or any software that conflicts with port number 80 like Xmpp, if your computer has Xmpp, then Xmpp may not run. So either you need to uninstall your Xmpp or reconfigure your ports. So Xmpp installation, it is important that during before installation you must either reconfigure your Xmpp port or uninstall Xmpp. It is better uninstall Xmpp or like that software, anything that is that conflicts. If you face any problem, you can knock me, no problem, or you can search for Google, that is available. All the information available in Google. So I need to run Apache and now MySQL. See, these all are now going to started. Okay. You have to confirm that both PIDs and ports number are available here. See, I'm going to stop and start again. This is the important part. So learn here. Start, click start. See, both PID and ports are coming. For MySQL, no PID, no ports. Whenever I click start, it will come. See, PID comes now, now ports. Okay? Okay. So our installation part is complete. Now we want to check whether it is working or not. Go to browser, type localhost. Whatever you need to type, localhost or 127.0.0.1. This is the local PC IP address or host name. So by calling this IP address or this localhost, we can call our server. See, 127.0.0, same thing coming. This one also same thing coming, localhost. So it means that our server is running. See, our PHP version is 7.4.5. Here is PHP info. You can see PHP version 7.4.5. All other configuration also found here. Whatever the modules, all the modules installed, you can see here. Okay. So our installation part is complete. Now we need to go to SLiMS website. In our case, you can, if you come to our SLiMS Bangladesh community site, there is a direct link to SLiMS software, or you can go to SLiMS website. You can, from here, you can also download. It will go to GitHub page, and from here there are some versions. Just click on SLiMS 9 Boolean, it will automatically be downloaded. So it's downloading. So since I have downloaded, I am not going to download. So I have downloaded here SLiMS 9 Boolean. So copy this one. My recommend is copy. Now go to Xmpp. Now htdocs. This is very important. htdocs. This folder is very important. So under this folder, you need to paste everything. So under this, paste here. I have already pasted here. So this is my SLiMS 9. So this is my SLiMS 9 zip file. So whatever we need now, we need to unzip this one. So extract to SLiMS 9 Boolean 9.1. I use this option. Don't use any other option because it will replace your existing files. So use this one, extract to SLiMS 9 Boolean 9.11. Okay, I have extracted. That means unzipped. I have unzipped this version. Now I can rename it to SLiMS 9 only. So I have renamed to SLiMS 9. Okay. Now go to browser. This is very important. You need to remember this name. You need to remember this name. For better safety, you can copy this one. Like rename, right button and copy. Okay, this will help you. Now go to browser. Type localhost / SLiMS 9 or Control V. See, the installation page comes now. Any problem to hear me or see my video?
Carry on, your voice is clear, Nurul Alam sir.
Okay, okay. Someone is telling that no sound, no video.
No, I think she is facing some other problems.
Okay, okay. So our meeting time limit is going over, so we need to reconnect within 2 minutes.
Yes.
Yeah. So
we can reconnect again.
1 minute. After 1 minute, I can reconnect. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
So this is the installation part, main interface, and so whatever we need. The first one thing is we need htdocs. We need to go to htdocs folder. This is very important. htdocs. This folder is very important in XAMPP, under XAMPP. In some other software, there may be option like www folder or HTML folder, but for XAMPP folder, it is htdocs. Yes. So under this htdocs, I have copy and pasted SLiMS 9 zip folder and unzipped here. Then I renamed this to SLiMS 9. Now this is also very important that whatever you renamed here, whatever you named here, it is available also. Whatever you renamed this folder can be recalled at here, localhost SLiMS that name. If you use only SLiMS, then you must use only SLiMS. If you use your library name or only library, you can use only library. Like if you are using Pakistan library, then localhost / Pakistan library. If you use my library, then localhost / my library. I will show you, no problem. So I'm going to reconnect again. Okay. Except YZ, all other modules are installed here, no problem. So YZ is not mandatory, it is optional. Without YZ modules, we can continue our Z39, no problem. So click next. Our option is install SLiMS. So here we need something like database host. We need database host name. So it is localhost by default, no problem, since we are using our own machine. Then database name, database username and password. So we need 3 items, right? So we need 3 items. Let me show you. We need database name. We need database username and GB user password. We need these 3 things. How can we get this? To get this, we need to go to dashboard like this one. Here you can see PHP MyAdmin. Just click on PHP MyAdmin. It will come. So this is PHP MyAdmin. That means from here we can control our database. You can directly write localhost / PHP MyAdmin. No problem. See here. You can directly write this one. Localhost / PHP MyAdmin. So this is PHP MyAdmin part. Click here database and create a database name. So I am giving a name that is pk.slims9. No, okay, I'm giving a simple name, SLiMS PK. SLiMS PK. Okay, I'm going to give you a simple name that is SLiMS PK. So my database name is going to be SLiMS PK. Here, this option you must create UTF-8 Unicode CI. For local language, Unicode-based language, you must use this option minimum, UTF-8 Unicode CI. And now click create. So check here again. Your database name is SLiMS PK and the option is UTF-8 Unicode CI. So my database name is SLiMS PK. Okay. Now, by default, here we can show you one thing. You don't need to do this. I just for showing you, I'm going to see. Here are our databases. So SLiMS PK, check privileges. So users, the username is root, and by default it has no password. So my username is root, and by default it has no password. So DB username has no password, blank. So database name SLiMS PK, username root. So I have found all these three information. Whenever I have these three information ready, I can go now to SLiMS installation page. So host name is localhost, no problem. Database name SLiMS PK. Username root, and password none. So we can leave it. Click test connection. See, connection okay. Then click next. We are on second part, installation. From here, generate sample data. We can, yes, please, we can generate sample data. If you don't want to install sample data, you may use no. But for better understanding about how SLiMS are used, how bibliographic data can be inputted, how can we entry our library resources, we can see the formats. Then we can use this option. Please in. Yeah, someone talking. Yeah, if you, okay, let me.
Wait.
Okay. So in this page, personally, I recommend you use please, yes, please, this one option, so that you can better understand how bibliographic catalogs are being done in SLiMS. And then super user profile, that means master user. Who is the super admin? His admin configuration part is here. Username by default admin. For this installation part, I am going to use this admin, no problem. And our password will also be admin. Remember this one. Username admin, password admin. Okay, so with this configuration, we are going to run the installation folder. Click run the installation. It will create a database, tables on database and other things. So new SLiMS installation successful. For security folder, for security region, SLiMS advised us to remove or rename installation folder. Okay, we'll do that later. But before that, go to my SLiMS. See, we have successfully installed SLiMS. Okay, we have successfully installed our SLiMS. Now go to your htdocs folder, SLiMS 9. Here you can see this install. Okay, they suggested me to remove or rename this folder. I will do that, but a little bit later. Now I need to log in. So how can I log in as admin part? Before going to log in, let's see the OPEX. So this is simple search interface. Whatever you know, that is author, subject, ISBN, you can type here and hit enter for searching option. Or if you know specific information, you can go to advanced search and use this option: title, subject, collection type, GMD, author, ISBN, ISSN, location, everything you know, then you can refine your search from here. Okay, so here are library information part. So you can configure your library information. You don't need to know any coding, just from your admin panel you can do it. It's like Microsoft Word. You can upload your library news time to time. Here is help option, how to search this catalog. librarian profile can be shown here. And this is member area. Members can log in with their given ID password. And the attractive part is language. See, this is my Bengali language. So, and now your Urdu, this is Urdu language. So all the pages, some more improvements required. Hope you contribute more. So, and
Sure, inshallah, inshallah, Nurul Alam
inshallah,
Sahab.
inshallah.
We are working on there.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to this option here. So now you can see here home, information, news, help, library, and member area. All the options are here, but there is no option for librarian login. How can we log in? Librarian can log where? So the simple trick is just go to any option like information, news, or help, like any one. So you can also click member area. And at this level, go to this URL and replace the term after equal sign. After equal sign, replace the term with login. See, this is the library automation login page. Here you will provide your ID password. This is the ID password we set during our installation. That is admin and admin. Yes, this is our library automation administration page. Now see this message. Installer folder is still exists inside your server. Please remove it or rename to another name for security reason. You are logged in as super user. With great power comes great responsibility. One of my favorite quotes. Okay, so to remove this line, now we are going to rename the folder name, whatever we see earlier. This install folder, just rename it. So whatever I can do here, before install, use a 0. Just a 0, it will work fine. Now refresh. See, now there is no message, only super login message, super user login message, nothing else. So this is my administration page. So here you can see this dashboard. I told you about dashboard. This is dashboard. Total collections here, total items here, how many lent, how many available, every transaction summary, everything can be seen here. There is shortcut setting, you can shortcut. There is bibliography option, circulation, membership, master file, stock taking, system, reporting, serial control, and logout option. So system is the most important part here. So I'm just only going to show you how to change your library name. So this is our library name, currently it is Sinayan. So we are going to okay. So I can change my name. Whatever then what the name I can give you? Can anyone suggest me? I can use myself.
You can do it from your side, sir.
Yeah, SLiMS Pakistan library. We can use it, no problem.
Okay, no.
So I am giving this name. Now go to OPEC and refresh. See SLiMS Pakistan library here. Okay. So you can configure this one. You can choose your theme also. You can customize your themes. There are so many options, so you can control. So basically this is our installation part today. So I am not going to show you anything today. The next rest of the part we will discuss tomorrow. Now the session is open for discussion, so we can open the floor for everyone.